The core issue causing your ongoing struggle with self-assurance isn't due to societal standards or the pursuit of external validation, but because you're overlooking the crucial strategy of self-discovery and self-love. This oversight is precisely why so many individuals find themselves trapped in a cycle of insecurity. Sadly, however, there's no need for concern. In this guide, you'll discover how to leverage the crucial strategy of embracing your intrinsic worth effectively, ensuring you never have to face the struggle of self-confidence again. Hi, I am Ethan Foster, and my mission here is to guide you from untruth to truth through different perspectives and old teachings. Let's explore together the extraordinary potential of being human. The journey to unshakable self-confidence. Have you ever pondered the essence of genuine self-confidence? It's not about the external accolades or the superficial markers of success we often chase after. True self-confidence is a profound journey inward, a voyage to the core of our being, where we discover our intrinsic worth and identity. It's about stepping beyond the shadows of our doubts and embracing the light of self-acceptance and understanding. True wisdom tells us that the foundation of unshakable self-confidence lies in a deep, harmonious connection with ourselves. It's not about becoming someone we're not, but rather embracing who we are at this moment. This wisdom, deeply rooted in the teachings of true yoga, reveals that self-confidence emerges from self-acceptance, self-understanding, and, most importantly, self-love. Imagine a version of yourself that thrives on genuine self-assurance, one that knows its worth without the need for external validation. This ideal self lives in a reality where dreams and essence harmonize, radiating an unshakable confidence. Yet, as we navigate life's journey, we discover that true self-confidence is not tethered to our achievements or failures. History is replete with tales of accomplished individuals plagued by insecurities, highlighting that confidence and success are not always synonymous. The secret to true self-confidence is a revelation waiting to transform your understanding. It's about forging a deep and meaningful relationship with yourself, recognizing and honoring your worth exactly as you are. The champions of true confidence understand that this journey is not one of transformation, but one of self-discovery, acceptance, and love. So, dear friend, embark on this profound journey towards knowing yourself, for within lies the key to unlocking the door to unshakable self-confidence. Reflect on how you can deepen this bond with yourself, and remember, the path to true confidence begins with a single step inward. Unlocking the pillars of inner strength. Embarking on the quest of self-discovery, one must consider if the essence of their existence has been fully comprehended. To illuminate this inward journey and foster unshakable self-confidence, let's explore transformative steps grounded in true wisdom. Step 1. Self-interview, a dialogue with your depths. Initiate a dialogue with yourself, the most intricate puzzle you've ever encountered. This introspective voyage begins with assessing your self-awareness. Imagine engaging in a conversation with your inner being, asking profound questions about your desires, aspirations, and your place in the world. As you navigate through these inquiries, a clearer self-portrait emerges, laying the foundation for heightened self-confidence through understanding your evolving essence. Step 2. Self-validation, affirming your worth. The craving for external validation is a common human experience. However, the path to unwavering self-confidence involves affirming your own worth and celebrating your uniqueness. By practicing self-affirmation, you validate your choices and triumphs, establishing a solid foundation of genuine self-assurance that no external force can diminish. Step 3. Embrace emotion, the spectrum of being. Life's journey is painted with a spectrum of emotions, each shading our existence with its unique hues. Recognizing and wholeheartedly experiencing these emotions is crucial for self-confidence. By allowing yourself to fully feel, express, and explore every emotion, you pave the way for a deeper understanding of your inner world, enhancing your connection to the essence of who you are. In this exploration, we're reminded that genuine self-confidence stems not from external achievements, but from an intimate rapport with ourselves. It's a process of self-acceptance, understanding, and love, where true confidence is anchored in our innermost selves. Thus, the most powerful step towards becoming the confident individual you aspire to be is knowing yourself, for therein lies the key to unshakable self-confidence. Embracing your authentic essence. In this transformative journey towards nurturing unshakable self-confidence, we delve deeper into the essence of our existence and how to illuminate the path to inner strength. Step 4. Liberating from judgment. To cultivate unwavering confidence, it's crucial to step back from being overly critical of both ourselves and others. Such critical perspectives often stem from our own insecurities and can hinder our self-esteem. By shifting focus from the flaws of others to our strengths, we start to see ourselves and the world through a lens of acceptance and compassion. This journey of acceptance is not just about tolerating our imperfections, but embracing them, recognizing that they contribute to the unique tapestry of our being. Step 5. Unveiling the social art. Those who exude confidence in social settings do so not because it's inherent, but through continuous engagement and practice in social interactions. This step encourages venturing into the social sphere, embracing the awkwardness and fear, and recognizing each interaction as an opportunity to bloom in confidence. Step 6. Embracing your whole self. The quest for perfection often leads us to hide our perceived weaknesses. Yet, true self-confidence flourishes when we acknowledge and embrace our vulnerabilities alongside our strengths. This acknowledgement doesn't weaken us. Instead, it enriches our understanding of ourselves, fostering deeper connections with others and a more profound sense of self-awareness. Step 7. Feeding your ideas. The hesitation to express our thoughts, fearing they lack value, is a common barrier to confidence. This step challenges us to recognize the worth of our ideas, emphasizing that they don't need to be revolutionary to be valid. Sharing our thoughts openly contributes to a sense of self-confidence, rooted not in the validation of others but in the authenticity of our voice. In this journey, we discover that genuine self-confidence is a reflection of our internal relationship with ourselves, rooted in acceptance, understanding, and love. By engaging with these steps, we not only foster a resilient sense of self-confidence, but also connect more deeply with the essence of our being and humanity. The pathway to unwavering confidence. As we conclude this transformative journey, we focus on the final steps that solidify our path to enduring self-confidence. Expressing your thoughts and ideas is the beginning of acknowledging your worth. Every idea you share adds a brushstroke to the masterpiece of your confidence. Step 8. The balance of giving and receiving understanding. The power of both giving and receiving is essential. It's not a sign of weakness to seek support. Rather, it's a testament to the strength found in community and togetherness. This acknowledgement of mutual support enriches our resilience and fortifies our confidence. Step 9. embracing your gifts. Welcoming compliments with grace rather than deflecting them allows us to value our strengths genuinely. This practice is not just about accepting kind words, it's about recognizing and celebrating the talents and efforts that define us. Step 10. The way forward. Knowing yourself involves exploring both the known and the unknown realms of your existence. Embrace your present while being open to growth. View life's challenges as opportunities to learn and evolve. Constructive criticism and change are not adversaries, but allies on your journey towards self-discovery and confidence. In gratitude for joining this journey, I encourage you to share these insights and continue exploring the path of self-awareness and confidence. Your journey is a continuous process of growth, learning, and self-discovery. Thank you for your engagement and curiosity.